How to become an investment banker from scratch, a complete roadmap for commerce students. CA builds the books. CS handles the law, but investment bankers, they build empires. Investment banking could be your golden ticket to the world of high finance. Let us first understand what exactly investment banker does. Let me tell you, it is not just a fancy title. These are the ones who crack deals for the companies worth crores. They are into IPOs, mergers and acquisitions, and every single major financial decision that a company takes. To start your journey, you have to first choose the right graduation field. You can go in for a degree in BCom, accounting or finance, BBA or BMS with finance specialization, BA in economics, or BSc in finance or business analytics. The top colleges are SRCC, NMIMS, Christ University, St. Xavier's, Delhi University, Ashoka, and IIM Indus IPM program. Along with your graduation, you have to start building your core financial knowledge. Learn corporate finance, valuation techniques, DCF comparables, financial statements, IPOs, mergers and acquisitions, and equity research. Use resources like Investopedia, Wall Street OSS, and books like Investment Banking by Rosenbaum and Pearl and The Intelligent Investor. To stand out, you can go in for optional certifications like the CFA, which is globally recognized, NISM or NIFM, which focuses on Indian markets, or take up courses in financial modeling and valuation from platforms like Coursera, CFI, or Wall Street Prep. Excel and PowerPoint are like oxygen for investment bankers. So learn advanced Excel, financial modeling, that is building models from scratch, valuation decks, creating pitch books for real-world companies. Also get familiar with tools like Bloomberg or Capital IQ if accessible. Internships are non-negotiable. Here, it is not about the pay, it is all about the experience you are going to gain. Start small with boutique finance firms or startups. Then target bulge bracket banks like Goldman Sachs or JP Morgan, the big fours like EY or Deloitte, venture capital or private equity firms. Apply early and keep your LinkedIn updated. Your resume should reflect that you have passion in finance and you are a finance pro. So here are some resume tips. Use a clean one-page format, highlight real results and not just roles, and optimize your LinkedIn with keywords and experiences which reflect your investment banking ambition. Investment banking interviews are tough. You have to prepare for technical questions from balance sheets, DCF ratios. You need to have market awareness, HR questions like why investment banking or tell me about a recent deal. Mock interviews, Glassdoor preparations, and case studies are going to be your best friends. You also have to learn to network smartly. Reach out to investment banking professionals on LinkedIn, attend finance webinars, CFA society events, and build real relationships. Don't ask for jobs. Ask for advice. That is how opportunities come. Now that you are job ready, you have to apply smartly and strategically. Target top investment banking firms like Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley. Mid-market firms are ICICI Securities, Avendus. Boutique investment banking firms like Unitas, Spark Capital. And of course, the big fours, Deloitte, EY, and others. In order to rule the world of finance, follow the markets like a hawk. Read Economic Times, Mint, Bloomberg, Financial Times. Track IPOs, mergers, acquisitions, and other market trends. Your financial awareness must be razor sharp. If you have not started with your investment banking journey right from your graduation, not to worry, here are some alternative routes that you can take. You can transition through an MBA from IIMs or ISB, consulting or analyst roles, venture capital or private equity analyst roles also open doors for investment banking. Investment banking isn't easy, but if you follow this roadmap, it is definitely achievable. The pressure is high, but also it has high rewards. This entire roadmap is available as a free PDF. Download the link in the description. Do like this video and share it with your friends who are pursuing commerce. Do subscribe our channel for more such career roadmaps. Together, let's build your career.